Hey guys, check out this little mini episode. If you're feeling like you're slowly losing the zeal and the zing, the passion and the pulse for your business, you're going to want to check this episode out for 3 quick tips to get back up and running and full of zeal and crushing your business. Need some effective tactical advice that actually helps you get results and makes a real difference in your life and business? You've come to the right place. If you're finding yourself here today, it means you're getting ready to gain serious traction in your business, rapidly multiply your income and impact, and you're ready to make it happen while living all out. Guys, I'm Melissa Hinault, your trustworthy corporate dropout turned 6-figure business burnout turned happy and healthy CEO of a multi-million-dollar online business. And you're listening to the Burnout to All Out podcast. On this show, we're serving up innovative growth strategies, simple implementation methods to put them into practice, and action-stimulating inspiration tailored specifically for the modern entrepreneur. Let's dive in. All right, guys, back at you with a little mini episode today, a quick episode on really when you've lost the zeal for your business. The thing is, it could be a number of things. It could be a number of reasons you've lost the zeal for your business. You may truly have just totally run the course of whatever you're offering and you've outgrown it, right? Sometimes that happens. Maybe you've outgrown the audience or you've outgrown what you're serving and you're ready to move up and level up. And I get that, but many times that's not actually the case. Many times we lose zeal and lose kind of the pulse of our business, actually because we're just working it too hard and not making space to enjoy life and restore. Have you ever caught yourself just grinding so hard? You've got your calendar booked all day, and you do that enough days, weeks, and months out of the year. And my friends, you start to experience burnout. Even if you love what you do, you're not giving yourself any space to actually live and be the human you are destined to be. So I'm going to give you 3 quick tips on how to literally and figuratively apply CPR to your business and your life and revive the pulse, revive the zeal. Because many times it's a matter of doing a little CPR and you're back in the game. So let's talk CPR. What is C? The first step is create, right? When was the last time you created anything outside of your business just for fun? Okay. Maybe it's a lost skill or art. Maybe you used to sing. Maybe you used to dance. Maybe you used to be into art. Maybe you used to paint. Maybe it's pottery, right? It could be anything that's creative. Maybe it's cooking a creative dish or spending time piddling around in the garden. Guys, this is creativity. And we have to make space in our lives to be human and live a little bit in a creative mode because it fuels our soul and fills our cup up so that we have the energy and the engagement in business. Okay. So I want to ask you, how long has it been since you did one of these things just for fun to create? The next time your little kids start coloring, pick up a pencil, pick up a crayon, color with them, right? Tap into the creative. All right. Okay, gang, we need to take a quick hydration break. So grab your drink of choice. And as you rehydrate, I'll give you the lowdown on my free LinkedIn lead gen masterclass. If you feel like you're screaming into the void when you post content on Facebook or Instagram, struggling to find a sustainable and scalable lead generation process that sticks, and you just want someone who's been there and done that to reveal their secrets, then it's critical that you register to save your spot ASAP. During this live masterclass, you'll get to steal the exact strategy I used to scale my income from $0 to $1 million in just 19 months without spending a fortune on ads or suffering from burnout. Simply check out the show notes of the podcast episode for the link to register for your free spot in the LinkedIn Lead Gen Masterclass. And don't worry, even if you miss a couple of days or you can't make it to all the training sessions, we'll deliver the replays directly into your inbox daily so you can watch them on your own time. All you have to do is make sure you sign up for the masterclass before registration ends. Number 2 is the P in CPR. That is play. I will tell you, my mindset coach last year told me, Preston Smiles, he picked up a skateboard or surfed every day for 365 days. And it was the largest revenue year to date. And his wife would look at him like he had 4 eyeballs when he would head out of the house with his skateboard at lunchtime or his surfboard, right? In the middle of a workday. But the reality is creating that time to play fills your soul up. We were made to enjoy this planet. We weren't made just to grind out and be productive. Yes, we need money to live, and many of us like money for lifestyle. It's an energetic exchange, but not at the sacrifice of not making space to enjoy it. So what do you do to play right now? Maybe it's hiking. When was the last time you went on a hike? For me, it's even just playing tickle party or hide and go seek with my kids. Your kids are a great initiator of play, right? So instead of saying, I've got to do the dishes or I've got to do the laundry, you guys go have fun. Drop the dishes, drop the laundry, go play hide and go seek. We'll turn off all the lights in the house and run around at night and play hide and go seek. And it's exhilarating and it's fun, right? Maybe it's prioritizing dinner with your girlfriends, right? For me, that's really important, that connectedness and play with them. Okay, now we're on to R. The R is restore. Are you restoring? See, you have to treat business like an athlete treats sports, right? You have to recover, right? You have to recover and restore. Are you making space? Maybe it's a monthly massage. For me, I get a massage, a deep tissue and adjustment every week on Wednesdays, on hump day, to celebrate being halfway through the week. What do you do to restore? Maybe it's making some quiet space to nestle into a really good, juicy book. Maybe it's meditation. Maybe it's a cold plunge, right? But the bottom line is, my friends, when you go, and you're pursuing your dreams so hard and fast, sometimes we can forget why we're doing it all. And so you have to give yourself a taste of the life, if not just a taste, but an entire 5-course experience of CPR along the way every week. Every week, even if you just spend, 10 minutes in each category, 10 minutes of piddling in the garden, 10 minutes of playing hide and seek with your kids, right? 10 minutes of meditation to yourself. Guys, that's 30 minutes in your day. The ROI on picking back up the pulse in your business and really picking back up that zeal and excitement and passion, you're going to be restored. You're going to show up better for your clients, for your family, for your employees, right? So I want to hear after this episode, come find me on social, DM me, drop it in our Burnout to All Out Facebook community. Share with us, what are you doing to apply the CPR method to your life? I know that our mastermind group is getting together live here at my house next month, and I'm bringing in my own mindset coach. And we're going to spend some time in the restore space at the beginning of the meeting. It's that important to me. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you again. Thanks, guys, so much for listening in on today's podcast episode. And I can't wait for you to see my upcoming guest in the next episode. You are going to love this keynote speaker. Hey, here's the deal. If you liked this, please subscribe and leave a review. And you want the latest online business growth strategies and exclusive LinkedIn pro tips sent straight to your phone? Text the word update to 704-318-2285. That is, text the word update to 704-318-2285. Can't wait to see you guys. Come find me over on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you like to hang. I cannot wait to hear how you are enjoying and applying what you're learning. You guys reach out to me over on social because I love hearing what's resonating with you. When you reach out to me and you send me those personal DMs, they really do impact the content I continue to bring forward to you. So again, come find me, Melissa_Hinault over on Instagram, Melissa Hinault over on LinkedIn and Facebook. Can't wait to see you guys over there.